Well, 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 YouTubers, happy Thanksgiving. Here is my sweet potatoes. I made them like candy. I put a bunch of brown sugar on them, some molasses, butter. I put 3/4 of stick of butter. And also I put pumpkin spice and what else? Oh, nutmeg and cinnamon, and also a little bit of molasses. And I cooked them over the stove on a very low fire with the cover on. And every 15 minutes or so I went and I turned them. And so after that, what I did to dry them up, I just put them in the oven. And here they are. And let me see what they taste like. Ooh, that's a big one. I can't get... Ooh, they're too hot. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I get a little one here. Yeah, I cut them big because otherwise they disappear. That happened to me before. I was very disappointed. Yummy. They taste like sweet potato pie. Almost. Yeah, I just scraped some fresh nutmeg over them too. And that's all you do. And sprinkle a little bit of salt. So they have like that sweet salt taste like. So they are good, but they're too hot for me to eat. I just took off a little corner. Okay, thanks for watching.